Hello everyone, start off by gathering the hair together and then tie a low ponytail at the base of the hair using a disco rubber band. On the last loop over, make a bun out of it. Taking the remaining amount of hair, roll it over, make a bun out of it and then add a decorative clip at the top of it. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and then roll the hair in on itself. Right underneath it, take two more sections of the hair, tie it up at the back, and then roll the section of the hair in on itself. Now, at the base, make a braid out of the hair and then tie a rubber band at the bottom, and then roll the hair, that is the braid, upwards as such. Use a multiple prong decorative pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, we will start off by tying a low ponytail to the hair, loosen it, and then roll the hair in on itself as such. Add a rubber band in the middle section of the hair and then make a bun out of it, make a gap in the middle, and then lift it upwards as such. Now use a decorative multiple prong pin and fasten it to the sides. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and roll the hair in on itself. Tie a low ponytail at the base, roll it upwards, insert the rubber band around it as such, lift it up into a bun, and then fasten it in place using a multiple prong decorative pin as such. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, loosen this ponytail and then roll the hair in on itself. Now make a braid out of the hair, roll the braid upwards and then cover it up using the rest of the hair. Pin it up in place using a bobby pin. Next, add a decorative pin to the top of it to make it look all the more aesthetically appealing. Take a ponytail and then roll this ponytail in on itself through the top as such. Now cover up the gap, add a rubber band in the middle, make a small division in the middle section and then roll it upwards. Next, we will start off by taking a section of the hair from the middle. Take two sections of the hair from either side and once more tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Take two more sections and tie a rubber band right underneath this. Make a braid at the base, roll it upwards and then fasten it in place using a multiple prong decorative pin as such. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Make two ponytails at the back and then taking the right side ponytail, pull it through the top left section, take the left side ponytail, pull it through the top right side section. Take the excess amount of hair that is present and then insert the excess underneath as such. Now add a decorative pin at the top. Next, take this multi-level clip and then make a ponytail at the back. Take the sections from the ponytail, start off by twisting it and then inserting it into each of the levels of the clip. Now, after you have done this, gather all of the hair together, add a rubber band at the end of the hair, then use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it through the hair at the top. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and then tie up a ponytail at the bottom. Now make two divisions out of this ponytail, add a rubber band to each of them in the middle, roll the hair in on itself as such, roll it up into a bun and then use a multiple prong decorative pin on top of it. Next, we will start off by leaving out a section on the front, make a braid at the back as such, and then use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Now take the rest of the hair, once again use this pin in order to fasten it in its place. Now cover this up accordingly. Take the hair and make a ponytail out of it, roll this ponytail in on itself, add a rubber band at the base of it, roll it up into a bun, fasten it in place using a multiple prong decorative pin. Take the hair, tie a ponytail out of it, lift it upwards, and then add a rubber band to the base. Add another rubber band at the bottom as such, then use a decorative clip on top of it. Next, start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair, make a small little bud at the base. At the bottom, add a rubber band to it and then roll it upwards, fasten it in place using a decorative clip. Thank you for watching.